Baby back ribs are the easier of the two different pork ribs to prep. All right, so let's check this out. We got our baby backs here. You can cut it on the back, but for the purpose of this video, we're gonna cut it right here. Removing the membrane on pork ribs is completely optional. I don't like the chewy texture when my ribs are done cooked because I'm not cooking them for 6 hours. All right, if you're cooking your ribs for 6 hours, then maybe it can break down to where you might like it. But this is for who wants to remove the membrane on the baby back ribs. Okay, now here's the baby back ribs. So I'm going to take my finger, you can see right here, make a little pocket. First there's just one finger, then you work it to two, and what you're going to do is just walk those two fingers all the way across. Okay, walk them across. Be gentle but firm. All right, and then once you have that opening where you can fit your 4 fingers through there, money. Okay, works with baby backs every single time. If for some reason your finger is too slippery and you can't get it in there, then you just make a little pocket right here. Just again, be gentle, be careful. Same process, you just want to make a small pocket between the meat and the bone, right? And then you're going to get 1 finger, then 2 finger, and then you can get all the fingers through there. When you have all 4 fingers in there, that's when it's good. Okay? Here we go. Again, the hand, use this one to support. Money. Easier of the two set of pork ribs by far.